Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Lowe's is a Fortune 500 company within the home improvement retail industry. The stock price has overperformed the S&P 500 over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 8.7%, thumbs up. Earnings growth, 23.2%, thumbs up. Earnings estimates, 16.17%, thumbs up. Return on capital, 19.17%, thumbs up. Debt to free cash flow, 4.14, thumbs up. Share buybacks, yes, thumbs up. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 1.14%, thumbs down. Payout ratio, 24.31%, thumbs up. Growth rate, 17.67%, thumbs up. Growth years, 58 years, thumbs up. 9 out of 10 thumbs up. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look on Lowe's for your dividend portfolio. Don't forget to subscribe and please come back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.